Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. In the previous videos we studied about the basic revisions of the 6th standard. In this video we will study something new, something different, not different exactly, but we are going to learn a chapter from 7th standard. Okay, now the chapter name is multiplication and division of integers. Okay, now before starting with the chapter multiplication and division of integers, we are going to learn first of all what is mean by integers, what are the integers. Okay, now there are different types of numbers. First is the natural number. Okay, natural number which starts from 1 to up to infinity. Then the whole number which starts from 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Okay, now then comes with the integers. What is mean by integers? All the positive and the negative numbers including 0. What I said, what is mean by integers? All the positive and the negative numbers including 0. Now what is mean by positive numbers and what is mean by negative numbers, you all know. What is mean by positive number? Which has a plus sign. And what is mean by negative number? Which has a negative or minus sign. Okay, now what is mean by real numbers? All the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are included in the real numbers. Okay, now before starting with the multiplication and division of integer, we will learn first of all addition and subtraction of integers, how to add integers and how to subtract integer. This concept we already learned in the 6th standard, but we will first revise it and then we go with the multiplication and division of integers. Then first example, addition of two integers. If I add two negative numbers, what will happen if we want to add two negative numbers? Okay, then since it's an addition, then it will be 2 plus 1 is 3, and while adding two negative numbers, minus minus becomes minus only, so answer is the minus 3. Okay, second example, minus 4 plus 9. These are two numbers, different numbers. First one is positive number and first one is the negative and the second one is positive number. Now while adding these two integers, how to add? Since both the numbers have the different sign, that means we have to do the subtraction. Okay, if both the numbers have same sign, then we have to do the addition, and if both the numbers have different sign, then we have to subtract both the numbers. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. Now the sign will be the sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? Between 4 and 9, the 9 is the bigger number. What is the sign of 9? Plus, so it will be plus sign, or it can be written as only 5. I am taking another example, 11 plus minus 3. Okay, again these are two numbers with different sign. First one is a positive integer, second one is a negative integer, so it will be subtraction. 11 minus 3 is going to be 8, sign of bigger number is plus only. Another example, 2 plus minus 12. Again two different numbers. First one is a positive integer, second one is a negative integer. Subtraction, 12 minus 2 will be 10 and sign is minus 10. Now it is all about the addition and subtraction of integers. Now how to multiply integers and how to divide the integer. Before starting with the multiplication, we are going to learn some rules of multiplication. These are the 3 rules of the multiplication. As you can see, the first one is product of two positive integers is a positive integer. What I said, the product of two positive integer is always a positive integer. That means if we multiply two positive integer, the answer is always going to be a positive only. positive number into positive number, the answer will be positive. Second one, the product of one positive and one negative integer is always a negative. That means if we are going to multiply two numbers, and between that two numbers, if one number is positive and another number is a negative integer, then the multiplication is always negative. That is my second rule. Okay, now third, the product of two negative integers. Okay, what I said, the product of two negative integer is always a positive integer. That means if we multiply two negative integer, the answer is going to be always a positive. Negative number into negative number, the answer will be positive. Now we will solve the practice set 8. The question is given as multiply, that is we have to multiply the given number. Before starting with the practice set, we have to revise the multiplication rule. First one is what? As we studied right now. First one is product of two positive integer is always a positive. Second one, product of one positive integer and one negative integer is always a negative. Third one, product of two negative integer is always a positive integer. Students, you can observe in the rules that first one is said as product of two positive integer is always a positive. Okay. Second one, product of one positive, one negative integer is always a negative, and product of two negative integer is always a positive. That means you can observe that if both the integers have same sign, the sign of the answer is always a positive. Yes or no? Yes. If both the integers have same sign, then the sign of the answer is always be a positive. And if both the integers have different sign, then the answer is always a negative. That means you can take it as a trick also, how to multiply the number integers easily. Okay, now first question is minus 5 multiplied by minus 7. Now here you can observe both the integers have same sign. Yes or no? Yes. Both the integers have same sign, that is the minus sign. It's a negative number. This is also a negative number. That means negative into negative, the answer will be a positive, and 5 7s is 35. So the answer is plus 35. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Again I am revising it. Both the integers have same sign, negative and negative, minus into minus, it will be a plus. 5 7s are 35. It can be written as only 35 also. Second one is minus 9 into 6. Minus 9 into 6. First number is negative, second one is positive. According to a second rule, if multiplication of one positive integer and one negative integer is always a negative, that means any of whatever, doesn't matter, first number is a positive or negative, multiplication of two numbers in which one is a positive and one is a negative, then the answer is always be in a negative. And do the multiplication. 9 6 are 54. Okay, next one, 9 4s are, again both the numbers are with different sign, one is positive, one another is negative. So 9 4s are 36 and the sign will be minus. Again same, 8 7s are 56, plus minus minus. Example number 5, minus minus plus, 124 into 1 is again 124. 12 7s are 84, minus minus plus. 63 into 7, do the multiplication here. 63 into 7, 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry. 6 sevens are 42 plus 2 is 44. That means 441. Minus minus plus. Here 15 sevens are 105. Plus minus again minus. Okay, you all understand this? Again I am revising how to multiply two integers. While dividing while multiplying two integers, we just have to remember three rules. What is the first rule? Multiplication of two positive integer is always a positive. Multiplication of one positive integer and one negative integer is always a negative integer. Third one, multiplication of two negative integers is always a positive integer. These are the three rules of multiplication. By using that three rules, we have to multiply these integers. Now that's all for today's video. If you like my video, do like my video, share it and subscribe to your friends and any other relatives. Thank you.